It's so quiet now, so hard to breathe. I'm staring at your old chair in the living room. Your absence hits me like a sonic boom. You taught me everything except how to be without you. Now the world is freezing and I'm losing my view. Every word of yours is an echo in my head, but the house is quiet, just memories in my bed. Losing you was like losing my North Star. Now I'm just a drifter, wandering way too far. They say that time can heal the deepest ache inside your soul, but these old scars just don't get better, never truly whole. How do I find the strength to face another lonely dawn and chase a little bit of happy now that you are gone? I look back at yesterday when your laugh was my shield. When you were here, life had a meaning revealed. I walked with my head high, not a worry in sight, but your departure broke the bond, turned out the light. Now the morning coffee has lost its soul. The sun is shining, but I'm still in a hole. Everything I touch feels like dust in air. Today, even living has a bitter taste I can't bear. They say that time can heal the deepest ache inside your soul, but these old scars just don't get better, never truly whole. How do I find the strength to face another lonely dawn and chase a little bit of happy now that you are gone? Some days I wonder if I still got the fight to carry this armor through the middle of the night. Grief is a mountain I climb every day with no end in sight, just shades of gray. Old wounds and regrets, they mix with the pain like a permanent cloud pouring down the rain. You don't really heal from a loss this deep, you just learn to walk while the memories sleep. They say that time can heal the deepest ache inside your soul, but these old scars just don't get better, never truly whole. How do I find the strength to face another lonely dawn and chase a little bit of happy now that you are gone? But I feel your breath when the wind starts to blow, a quiet strength that tells me where to go. If it tastes bitter, it's cause the love was so sweet, and that love is a fire keeping me on my feet. I'll honor your name with every step that I take, turning this sorrow into peace for your sake. Joy ain't betrayal, it's a win over the night. I'm lighting the flame so you can see my light. Something greater, gotta find the courage just to see it through and find a little piece of joy again for me and you.